In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go to a specific date in TradingView. Navigating through historical trading data can be quite crucial for technical analysis, and TradingView provides an intuitive way to zero in on the exact time period you want to examine. Whether you're backtesting a strategy or simply curious about market activities on a certain day, I'll show you step by step how to efficiently use TradingView's features to get there. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to your TradingView chart. If you're already on the TradingView platform, simply look for the chart section. It's a robust interface designed for both beginner and advanced traders, giving you a comprehensive view of market trends and patterns. Once you're at your chart, look for the helpful icons and tools located on your screen. TradingView packs a lot of features into its interface, making it essential to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now, once you've located your chart, next you'll want to direct your attention to the icons below the chart itself. Specifically, you're looking for the Go To icon, which is integral to accessing the date navigation feature. This icon is usually accompanied by other handy tools designed to enhance your trading activities, so it might take a moment to spot if you're not used to working with interactive platforms like TradingView. After locating and clicking the Go To icon, you will be presented with some options, one of which is the Specific Date option. This is what you'll click to specify exactly which date you want to explore on your chart. Choosing this option will open up a date input field or calendar view, depending on the version of TradingView you're using. It's a pretty straightforward process, but make sure you're precise with the date selection to align with your analysis objectives. Once you've selected the desired date, the final step is to click on the Go To button. This action will instantly transport your chart to the specified time period, displaying all the market data from that day. You'll be able to scrutinize the charts, patterns, and trends of that particular date, which can provide valuable insights for your trading strategies or market research. If you're revisiting this functionality or use it frequently, remember that this option is quite convenient for repeat analysis or quick cross-checking of different days without having to scroll through extensive timelines manually. TradingView's efficacious design makes it a favorite among traders looking to leverage historical data efficiently. And there you have it, a clear, concise method for navigating to a specific date within TradingView. This feature is not just about convenience, but also about enhancing your analytical capabilities by easily accessing past data. Thanks for listening, and happy charting!